Hi, it's Lori. I'm making you a recording to show you how to use Google Drive to make presentations and get the embed code to put them in the LMS. First thing you're going to do is go to google.com. I suggest you use Google Chrome because Google Chrome does work best with Google Drive when you're editing. It works a lot faster. Trust me, I've experienced the different browsers and Google Chrome just works the fastest. There's no delay. You may get a delay on some of the other browsers. Okay, so go to google.com in Google Chrome. Then click these boxes right here. Go to Drive, and you'll be prompted to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to sign up for an account and then log in, and then you'll be taken to your Drive. Next thing you're going to want to do is import the PowerPoint presentation that you already made. You can either click this arrow and upload it the traditional way, or I suggest you drag and drop. And so I'm going to move this over so you can see. Here's one of my folders on my computer. I'm just going to click and drag this presentation that I made already into the Drive here, and you'll see it says incoming, and then when you let go it starts to upload it. It doesn't take that long at all, and then you'll see it popped up right here. Okay, so let me spread this back out. Okay, so you don't need this anymore. Then you can click on this to see what it looks like, and then click open and wait for it to load. Okay, and then you'll see if you try to edit it, you can't edit it at all. So what we're going to have to do is convert this PowerPoint presentation into a Google presentation. So you can actually close this out, and these pictures didn't come in very well. Okay, so close this out, close this, and then you're going to create a new presentation. So select presentation, because this is just like PowerPoint, but it's like Google's version. Presentation, it'll open up. You'll be prompted to select a background, but just select the simple light one because it's going to import the one that we already made, so you don't have to worry about the backgrounds. And then you'll have a blank slate here. So what you're going to want to do now is import the slides from the one you just put on here. So File, and then Import Slides. And see, this is the one I just uploaded. So I'm going to highlight it and then click select. And then wait for it to come up. Loading. I think my family members are stealing my bandwidth. Okay, now it's up, so I'm going to click all because I just want to import all of them. And then keep the original theme is already checked. If it's not, go ahead and check it, but that's the default, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. And then import slides. Then you just wait for it to import. When it's done importing, you'll see them come up over here. See, they're all coming up. Okay, now the problem is that it doesn't import it perfectly. As you can see just from this opening slide, this picture is covering up the words, and on my original, it's not doing that. So you're going to have to edit it. So a lot of times what I do is I just make this font a little bit smaller, and then it usually fits okay. Same thing with this one. It ran off the page, so I'm going to make the font a little smaller. Oops, that's probably what it already was. Okay, and then it fits okay. And then sometimes you just need to move some pictures around just to make it look nicer. Yeah, see, that one ran off the page too, so I'll have to edit that. Most of them are running off the page here. Sometimes your pictures will cover up your words, and all you have to do basically is move a picture. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You just go in and you correct the little mistakes from it not importing correctly. And then once you're all done importing, you can title your presentation too. So click here, let me start over. Click up here where it says Untitled Presentation, and then title it. So new title, whatever you want to title it, and then click OK. Then you want to click Share. Right here, Share. And you want to change this, private only you can access, you want to change that to anyone with the link. And then click Save. And then done. Now, there's one more thing you got to do. You got to get the embed code. So we go to File, then Publish to Web, and then Start Publishing, and then OK. And here's the embed code. So you click on there, you can copy it, and I'm going to just put it in a Word document just to show you that I have my embed code. Paste. There it is. So that's the embed code. that I can put in the LMS. One thing you will want to do, I put this up here to remind myself, I cheated, is you'll want to change the width and height. So you got to look in the embed code until you see the width and height right here. See, here's width and here's height. So I'm going to change this. I found through my experience with embedding them is that a width of 830 and a height of 500 usually works pretty good. So just change it. You have to leave everything else there, because if you erase any part of the embed code besides just changing that number, it's going to mess it all up. So don't even erase those quotation marks, okay? And then this is the one that you'll paste into the LMS on HTML when you're adding a new lesson. So that's all you got to do. It's that simple. If you have any questions, call me anytime. I'm here. Bye.